On the 17th of November, the armed forces of the Russian Federation launched a concentrated strike using high-precision long-range air, sea and ground-based weapons at the facilities of military control, defense industry, as well as related fuel and energy infrastructure of Ukraine. The goals of the strikes have been reached. All the missiles have accurately striken the assigned facilities. The strike has resulted in the neutralization of the production capacities for nuclear weaponry. One depot of artillery armament, delivered by Western countries and prepared for being sent to troops, has been destroyed. The redeployment of the reserve forces of the armed forces of Ukraine and the delivery of foreign armament to operations areas have been frustrated. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Offensive operations of the Russian forces have resulted in the liberation of Opetnoye in Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy made unsuccessful attempts to launch a counter-attack near Sladkoye, Vladimirovka and Pavlovka of Donetsk People's Republic for halting the advance of the Russian forces. Artillery strikes and the action of Russian assault groups have resulted in repelling all the counter-attacks. The Ukrainian units have been scattered and driven back to their initial positions. The enemy has lost over 100 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank, 3 infantry fighting vehicles, 2 armored personnel carriers and 7 motor vehicles have been destroyed. In the Kupiansk direction, the operation of the Russian artillery and heavy flamethrower systems has resulted in frustrating the attempts of 2 enemy's company tactical groups to launch an attack towards Godmode of Kharkov region and Kuzemovka of Luhansk People's Republic. Over 50 Ukrainian personnel, 2 tanks and 5 armored motor vehicles have been eliminated. In the Krasny Liman direction, an attempt made by Ukrainian armed forces to launch an attack towards Chervonopopovka of Luhansk People's Republic has been prevented. Concentrated fire strikes launched by Russian artillery have resulted in halting and scattering the redeploying enemy units. Up to 40 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored combat vehicles and 7 pickups have been eliminated. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized the Ukrainian command posts deployed near Shevchenkovo and Kupiansk in Kharkov region, Dimitrovo in Zaporozhye region, as well as 83 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 172 areas. Within the counter-battery warfare, 1 launching ramp for Ukrainian Uragan multiple launch rocket system has been destroyed near Volchansk in Kharkov region. Air defense facilities have shot down 2 unmanned aerial vehicles near Goncharovka of Lugansk People's Republic and Nikolskoye of Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, 10 rocket-propelled projectiles launched by Uragan and HIMARS MLRS have been intercepted near Strulecha of Kharkov region, Makeivka and Ilovaisk in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 333 airplanes and 177 helicopters, 2,522 unmanned aerial vehicles, 388 air defense missile systems, 6,689 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 895 fighting vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,595 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,266 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.